Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me for I pass out. I'm too lonely to be done. I'm not trying to get this push.
It's Tuesday and it's time to clean the bathroom and the ensuite. So this is my boys' bathroom. All I've done is I've pulled out everything from their shower so I can give it a good spray down. Put some toilet cleaner in the toilet already just to leave that time to sit. And then I've also just grabbed all of the loofahs and sponges and things and exfoliating gloves from all of the showers, so from their boys' shower and from my ensuite shower. And I'm just going to run those through the wash. It is good to get those clean at least once a week. And I'm just going to add a capful of this into the wash along with the regular laundry detergent. I also just have a load of cleaning cloths that I have put through the wash yesterday, so I'm just going to hang those out to dry today.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love.
And then also in my ensuite, I just want to give that a really quick clean over and really get into the glass because it's been staying pretty clean, and I just want to make sure I keep on top of that. Also, I've noticed there's some dark, I don't know if it's mold or just water marks or anything, but I really want to get on top of that. I've bought some eco-friendly clove oil. It's a Queensland-based company that make it, and just because they had that leak in my kid's bedroom, and I wanted to just make sure that I wiped down all of the sills and everything where water was accumulating, just to make sure there is no chance that any mold is going to build up.
Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me for I pass out. I'm too lonely to be done. I'm not trying to get this page.
This is just the holder for my Clarisonic that I've got clipped on there. So I have one for each of my loofah, my body sponge and exfoliating gloves. And then this one just sits and it holds my Clarisonic, but it gets a bit manky in the bottom, so I'm just going to chuck this through the dishwasher. Hey everyone, thanks so much for stopping by for part 2 of my 5-part series on how I keep my house clean Monday through Friday and all the different things that I do on a daily basis to keep my house clean, tidy and under control. So today I'm sharing what I would typically do on a Tuesday when I break up my house into zones that I clean one zone each day of the week, Monday through Friday. Last week I shared with you my Monday cleaning routine, which was for the kitchen. And on Tuesdays when I do my weekly cleaning routine, I focus on the bathrooms. There are some things that I do on a daily basis. So that is cleaning the kitchen, taking care of the dishes, rubbish recycling, all those types of things that you need to do every day. And then one day for about 20 to 30 minutes, I'll just focus on really deep cleaning one particular area. I'll have a link to my website where you can download the PDF version of my printable cleaning schedule. It's completely free. You just download it as a PDF if it works for you, or if you need to adapt it to your own household requirements. Obviously, not every household is the same. For me, I really don't want to do any cleaning on the weekends. I've blocked out Monday to Friday about 20 to 30 minutes every day, and I will just dedicate that time to cleaning, and then I don't feel like the house gets in an overwhelming state, or that I'm always cleaning, or that the house has to build up into a mess before I start to pick it up again. I know for me, when I was working Monday to Friday in my regular job, I would much prefer to do a little bit of cleaning every day rather than let it all build up and then have to spend half a day on the weekend, or the best part of one day catching up and cleaning the whole house because it got into such a state. I think if you apply that principle of do less more often, it just makes it feel like the house never actually needs cleaning. You're just in that sort of maintenance mode. One of my best tips for cleaning the bathroom, whenever I clean my bathrooms or ensuite, I always vacuum the floor first, and this is for a couple of reasons. Is to pick up all of the hair. I've got long hair, it loses a lot of it when I'm brushing my hair in the bathroom and whatnot. But also because when you're cleaning the bathroom, you're quite often going to be spilling and splashing water from cleaning the shower or cleaning the basins. Vacuum the floor when it is completely dry and then start cleaning it. And then if you spill or splash any water from the cleaning process, it doesn't really matter because you've vacuumed already, and all you've got left to do for the floor is to give them a quick mop.
Let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see.
I'm sure a lot of people are really put off by the thought of cleaning the bathroom because they make it into something that is worse than it actually is. It really does not take a long time to clean the bathroom. Honestly, to clean my 2 bathrooms, it took around 22 minutes. And that was including filming and moving cameras and things around. So it really doesn't need to be made into something that is bigger than it actually is. Honestly, you don't need to be put off by the thought of something being a horrible experience, because when you actually time yourself, it only takes a couple of minutes to clean a toilet. It only takes a couple of minutes to clean down the mirrors of a vanity. I'm pretty sure you can clean a vanity sink in less than a minute. And if you really upkeep your shower and your shower screen by cleaning it when you're in it a couple of times a week, it really doesn't take that long when you do come to clean it as part of your regular cleaning routine. When I'm cleaning my bathroom and ensuite on a weekly basis, I just do all the basics. So all the typical things, obviously cleaning the toilet bowl inside, giving it a really good clean outside, cleaning the vanity sinks and the outside of the vanity mirrors, and then going in and giving the shower glass a really good clean, and then just spraying down the inside of the shower recess. I do use a Dishmatic with the vinegar and dishwashing detergent trick, and that's been working really well at keeping the inside of the shower glass clean. And I'll do that every couple of days. Just while I'm in the shower, I'll just give the inside of the shower screen a scrub down and then just rinse it down with the shower head. And that is it for this cleaning installment as part of my weekly cleaning schedule or weekly cleaning routine. In around 20 minutes, I managed to clean the bathroom and the ensuite in my house. Definitely don't be discouraged or put off thinking that cleaning is going to take all day, because it really doesn't. And especially when you break it down into zones and you just do a little bit every day. If that works for you, I know if you're at home and you've got little kids, sometimes it's hard to cleaning the whole house in one go. So if you've got that little bit of time when your kids are napping or sleeping, or, just put them in front of the TV for 20 minutes, and then you can quite easily just get in and spend that time cleaning one specific zone or area of your home, and then it doesn't build up into a massive big mess. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to check out part 1. I'll have it linked in the description box below, where I shared my Monday cleaning routine, which is, for me, the kitchen.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking.
If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It is really great feedback for me. It helps my channel out a ton, and it lets me know that you enjoy this type of content and for me to keep on making it. If you aren't already, be sure to subscribe before you go, or better yet, hang out and watch a few more videos. Have a great week, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.